guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I just bought this truck and I bought it used. And when you stick in the key, it gives you a tire pressure sensor fault. And you can't get rid of it unless you try to retrain the Tpms sensors in each tire wheel. And so I tried to do that. You do the left front, the right right rear, left rear, all in order. You let the air out after you get it into training mode on your ECU. And then I would let the air out of there and it would beep, it would be fine. Then I would come over here and I tried it 3 times and it just wouldn't work. I would let almost all the air out and it still wouldn't beep until it timed out and it went beep beep, meaning that you got to start the training all over again. So I contacted my friends over at KINGBOLEN, who once asked me to review this product, but I didn't have any need for it. This time I have a need for it, so they sent it to me. This is the KINGBOLEN EL-50448, and this is a tire sensor fault relearner tool. And basically, you would put a battery in here, and then you would get it into the mode where you're training the tires and the TPMS sensors, right? And then instead of letting the air out of each tire, you would just simply aim this antenna right where the valve is, where the TPS sensors are installed, and you would just press the button until the car beeps on each wheel, and then your sensor fault should go away. So let's get into the car, huh? I'll show you what the faults look like. So when you put in the key, this is what it looks like. Driver's door ajar, passenger door ajar, tire pressure sensor fault. There you go. That's what I want to try to get rid of. There was a way that you would reset it by pressing this 8 times to get into the mode, the training mode. But there's another way you can do it, which I'm going to try right now. You're supposed to stick the key in here and do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then press the brake. Take it back out. Then do it again. There we go. You heard the beep? Train left front tire. Okay? Now let's take this. We just press it. There we go. It took a little bit, but it worked. Now it's going to tell you to train the right front tire. Train right front tire. Let's do the same thing. This was the tire that was giving me all the problems. Let's hope that this one works. Ooh, that worked. So now it's probably going to say, go to the train right rear tire. Okay, so it timed out, which means that I have to redo it again. Okay, guess what? It worked, and it beeped on all 4 wheels, and it says training complete. That's awesome. So let's take out the key, and we're just gonna get the driver door things because the door's open. Let's see if we see that fault again. Driver door ajar, passenger door ajar, driver door ajar. So we don't see the tire fault warning anymore, and also the tire warning icon has gone away. So we're all set now. So how about it, guys? That was lickety split. That really worked out perfect. Instead of my letting out the air to have the sensors monitor which tire is letting out air, it's a lot of trouble and it didn't really work well. But with this KINGBOLEN tire pressure TPMS sensor fault reset tool, I did this in less than 3 minutes, you know, after trying it a few times. But works great, well worth the money. Now my warning light on my dash and the icon is gone away. So now my tires are trained to the TPMS sensors and we're good to go. Thanks to KINGBOLEN for sending this to me. It's a great tool. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
It's not unusual to be mad when